Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo! I'm sorry if you hear Landon at all during this video. He's playing Fortnite and it's 11:42 at night, so I can't really be like, yo honey, I'm filming, because I'm gonna be like, it's late. So today I got 5 of the Pat McGrath lipsticks. I know, I'm excited. And so I wanted to share them with you all, like a first impressions. I've opened them, but I haven't swatched them. So we're gonna see how they are live and in action. I just got off work and let me see how much these are actually. They retail for $38. And they're supposed to be amazing. They're Pat McGrath Labs lipstick. They say they're the matte trance lipsticks. So we are just going to go ahead and swatch them, take a look at them, see how they are. So the first one is Matte Trance number 015 Full Panic. I love the packaging. Like, I'm literally going to keep these boxes and put them on display because they're so stinking cute. Like, the lips and everything is just adorable. Like, look at that. It's so stunning. So pretty, and I love it. And for $38, I'm granted I didn't pay that much for them because I get a discount, but like for $38, you best keep the box. So this one is in the shade, like I said, Full Panic. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch it. It looks like this. Focus, 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 focus. Not on my face, not on my face. There we go. So it looks very velvety, and we're gonna see. Should I swatch on my hand or just go ahead and put it on my mouth? We'll swatch it on the hand first. Holy pigment. Okay. And granted, they were expensive, so if I don't like any of these, they're going back. They're so soft. So soft. Like, that's matte, but it's so comfortable. It could just be my lips, but it's kind of hard to get a smooth lip line. I don't know. That's really pretty though. It's not a color that I wear a lot. I thought it was like brighter, but it's pretty nonetheless. So that is Full Panic. Let's take it off. No stainage. Wonderful. And I just like to take my beauty blender, and can you see like it's uneven, and just like go around the edges to smoothen it out. So the next one is the same box. It is the color 016 Peep Show. This one is the nude, and let me just go ahead and show you all. That's all you get. Like, it's 0.14 grams, I believe the box said. Yep. No, 0.14 ounces, so 4 grams, versus like the Kat Von D one. Maybe I guess that is normal. 3.4 grams, so it's less than the Kat Von D, but okay. How much is a MAC one? Doesn't say, but my MAC one is melted, so I don't know. That just seems kind of like 3.3 grams for Jeffrey. So I guess that's more than average. It just didn't look like a lot. But this is the Peep Show. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at that color. If it would focus on it and not on me. There we go. Look at how pretty. Oh, it just looks so velvety. That is gorgeous. That's kind of pretty. It's almost too light. Almost. What do you think? So that's Peep Show. It's almost too light. It's kind of worrying me, but I'll wear it a couple more times, and if I don't like it, I'll bring it back. They come off so easily. Next we have, what are you? 221 Obsessed. This beautiful packaging. I love the eyes, like it's eyes, nose, lips. So let me see when I unwind it how it looks. I can't show you like all of it, but that's so pretty. Oh, it's just so pretty. But let's see for that one. Obsessed. It's this bright orange. Very pretty. Let's see how she looks on. You know what I realized? I haven't been swatching them on my hand. Sorry. That is very bright. I feel like I have shades similar to this though. Like this Pat McGrath one, I'm gonna swatch it. Also, there's a nick in the side. And let me see if I can compare some of my other oranges. So I have quite a few. Like right off the bat, that's Pat McGrath and that's Sephora collection. So that one might be going back because like it's a really nice formula, but Sephora collection's $8, Pat McGrath $38. It's just, I don't know. That's like, I thought it would be more of like a red orange. So it's just not a color that I'm gonna grab for. Okay, next we have 013 Elson. I was really excited for this one. It looks like a deep red, like a blue red. So let's see. It's like not going on evenly. And granted, it's like a nice color, but I feel like I have others like it, you know? Like, let me swatch this one and see if I can find a similar shade. Not quite. I'm moving just a little. Come on, you meet me in the middle. In the middle, baby. So this is the Pat McGrath one. This is this Makeup Forever one that I already have. So I don't know. I might keep this one. We'll see. This is kind of turning into a bummer because for $38 I expected something just a little bit more like astonishing. And this one doesn't really look matte either. Ugh. And lastly, we have the shade. Did I show you the packaging for that last one? It's not as pretty, but it's okay. This last one is absolutely gorgeous. It has like a crown. But it's the shade 028 Vendetta. It's a red again. It's like not going on evenly. Oh, oh no. So that one's not bad. It's probably my favorite of these, but like I like them. I just don't feel like they're unique and special enough, you know? So we'll see. I'll play around with them a little bit more and then probably gonna take some back because for $38 a piece, it's not worth it to keep them when A, they don't like go on like evenly, like there's a lot of bumps around the edge of my mouth. B, the colors aren't that unique. And C, I don't know, some of them don't look matte. So, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna play around with them some more. But other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Let me know what you think of these. Do you think the colors are pretty? Do you think they are unique or something special, something I should keep? Or do you think they're just not original? Because that's kind of how I'm feeling at this point. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!